morning. We back at it again, and it has been a hot minute. Uh, yeah, man, had to go into my little cave, but we nice now. We nice. I just recently funded a small micro account just to help me get more psychologically trained to being in live markets with real money on the line. So I started out small just to rather so more focus on the technicals where I enter and exit as opposed to the financial amount because I feel like the amount is irrelevant as long as my entries and exits are consistent and my methodology as well. Today I'm going to talk about a small, nice scalp we took. We entered two positions. The first TP exit was at the equilibrium point, which was about 22 points from where we entered. And then the second TP was a lower pool of liquidity, that low over there. That's what we were targeting. So just to quickly frame it, we had our dealing range. Um, how we got to our charts and everything, and then round about market open, so 9:30 ish. That's when we opted to initially we measured using this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Initially, I measured that range there, starting from there, and then the halfway point. That's where we took our first take profit over there. And then the second one was run about that low over there on the M1 time frame, which we will scale down to now. In retrospect, I could have held it a bit more, but it's FOMC later today, and I was actually not supposed to trade, but I was just like, let me quickly step in, take something out, and then call it a day. So market opened Nabo 9:30 ish and so and whatever. Let me see. Is this time frame? Yeah, so we were right about there. We noticed price like just shoot to the downside. This was about market open. When it shot to the downside, we noticed that bleeding of those gaps there. But then price went up, up, up. Let me just go to the M1. Here we are. Came up, we had the double top there. Had some liquidity there. We purged into it. And then I noticed price started shooting lower and lower and lower. When I saw us being here and that we broke the low, I automatically was like, I bet model 22, let's go in for sells. I noticed the fair value gap there and I waited for price to retrace up so that I could go in with my limit order. Indeed, that's what we did. And then we're just looking at this range here. Our first exit was round about here at the 50% mark. Less than 22 points from my entry. Second one was at the end of this. Give us 42 from where I entered. We're quite up there. And then, yeah, nice day, really. Nice day. In retrospect, I should have held a bit longer so that we could have taken out that or even that fair value gap over there. But regardless, I'm happy. I went in, stuck with my plan, took what I took, and then I was out. Now just be paper trading or just tape reading for the rest of the day. Like I said, it is FOMC. It's a two-stage event. News should drop around about 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, which is around about. Let me just let's just confirm quickly. Forex Factory. We're still recording. Nice, we're recording. Forex Factory today. Pre-FOMC was at 8 p.m. Okay, so the news will drop at 8 p.m. Followed, then we'll have it's a two movement event usually. The Judas or false move will happen within the first 30 minutes, and then from 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, we can look to take the opposite direction. Um, yeah, like I said, I am happy with my results. I will not be entering another trade. And then, yeah, for those wondering, I entered for my micro account. I funded a small one. It's 300 South African rands. Uh, Currently, profit wise, I'm up about 369. We're up 4% currently on that account. We're up 4%, which is kind of cool. And I'm just gonna, take it nice and slow like that. I'll see how the account looks like by December time. I just want to build up a nice solid track record. But with that being said, I missed you all. Uh, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna be consistent with uploads. I'll just let the uploads speak for themselves, and we will talk soon. Thank God for the skill.